course, speaking about the policy is one thing, but thinking about how it's used inside the organization by real people is the most important thing. One of the things that you will find is that there are already people inside the organization that are passionate about it and already using it, even if it is in their personal lives. These tools are really, really, really powerful. They are less predictable than other types of technology. So more than any other tool, it's really important that people understand how they can use them. So you need to really think about staff training and awareness. Because they're so easy to use, it might not feel like it's important, but it's even more important. So people can slip into using them, but they may not understand the significance, the importance of what they're doing and potential misuse. Make sure that your team members have really clear and visible guidance about what they should and shouldn't do. But embrace the curiosity and the creativity of your own team members. Put your people first. Your team are going to be the people that come up with all of the creative ways that have the most powerful impacts on your business. Make sure that you consider the risk for your own business, but also that of your customers. You are probably part of a supply chain. So you're not just keeping yourself safe with this, but you're also keeping all of the people that rely on you safe by making sure that you implement AI tools responsibly.